Welcome back, I'm Jerry with Sky Management. This is my brother Ross, and we're here today because we had a need for a solar mount light fixture that did not require any kind of electrical work to be run to it. We needed it as a good cost-saving measure rather than spending thousands of dollars on having an electrician come wire it up. So we bought this, and Ross is going to unbox it for us. What we have is a 100-watt equivalent solar street floodlight, and what that equates to is about 5,000 lumens, which is an extremely bright light that automatically charges through a solar panel requiring absolutely zero connections to any kind of electrical grid. It does come with all the parts in the box there that are necessary, including the shaft and the attaching pieces. It also has a remote control system that you can do it wirelessly with a remote.
This side mounts to the building, and then the light fits on the end, like so.
Yeah, I'm no novice to solar. I've used a lot of solar panels at my house, and I've used several solar mount light things before, but we needed something bigger to light up a parking lot. This is our first go at trying one of these all-inclusive solar apparatus here that they had online. It does really well. It does a 360-degree radius where it shoots the light down across the entire parking lot, about 300 square meters worth. And it also charges the battery during the day, then kicks itself on dusk to dawn at night. It's waterproof.
So we should specify this is our second one. We've already installed one of these, and that's why when we say that it does really well, we know because we've had one up for the last 6 months.
Yeah, it's waterproof, and so it can handle the weather, the rain. I will say that it does take some adjusting because it is so bright. We had a couple of residents that complained because it was too bright, and we had to adjust it down. But with the remote, you can also adjust the brightness, right?
Yeah, you can change the brightness with the remote. The one thing that I don't like about this is if you need to change the angle of the light, you can't really, because when you mount this part to the side of the building, it's going to stick out like this, and then when you mount the light on the end, it goes on straight. There's no hinge, so you can't tilt it.
You can adjust.
You can swivel it this way,
yeah,
but you can't tip it up and down.
And the nice part is at nighttime you can come back, once it's already mounted, and using this remote from your car even, you can adjust it, turn it down, set timers on it, everything you need to from the safety of your car once the thing's adjusted. But it's been a good piece of equipment. Like my brother said, we've had it there for about 6 months, and we can take you out real quick and show you what it looks like when it's mounted during the day anyway. And so far it goes from dusk to dawn. It stays on at night. It goes anywhere from the lowest setting 12 hours to as long as 16 hours, depending on how bright you have it set. So it pretty much covers the whole night.
Down in the below in the description, we'll include the link to Amazon. We purchased these from Amazon, so we'll put the link for it down there if you want to give one a try.
Yeah, I'd say it works out pretty good.
Here's where we have it mounted to the side of the building here. Like I said, you can swivel it on the posts, but you can't point it up and down, so be aware of that when you're looking for where you want to install it. And you need to have it somewhere where it'll get sun on the panel for at least part of the day, so it'll charge it up enough that it'll run all night. But we've been pretty happy with it.